Welcome to lesson number 3, letter T, word A. Hello. First, let's listen for words that have the same beginning sound. Ready? Here we go. Do the words apple and bat start with the same beginning sound? No, they don't. Good job. Do ant and apple begin with the same sound? Yes, they do. Nice work. Last, do C and apple start with the same beginning sound? No, they don't. Good job. Let's practice some rhyming. Let's listen for words that end with the same sounds. That means that they rhyme. Listen to these words: hat and pig. Do they rhyme? No, they don't. Nice work. Okay, next words: mat and sat. Do they rhyme? Yes, mat and sat do rhyme. Nice job. Now, it's time to practice our letters and sounds. First, let's review our letters from earlier lessons. Please say the name of the letter. S. Great job! What sound does the letter S make? S. Good job! Say the name of this letter. A. What sound does this letter make? A. Great work! Now, let's learn our new letter for today. This is the letter T. These are the uppercase and lowercase t letters. T makes this sound. Listen for this sound in the word tiger. Tiger. Do you hear the sound in the beginning or end of the word? Yes, you hear the sound in the beginning of the word, tiger. Good job! Let's say our new letter and sound again. T. The letter T makes this sound. Good job! Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go. S. Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good work! Now let's listen to another sound and write the matching letter on the palm of our hand with our finger. A. Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good job! Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go. Please make sure that the letter that you wrote looks like this. Great job! Next, let's review the heart words that we already know. Read these words.
The,
I. Now, let's learn a new heart word. Remember, a heart word is a word that we need to remember by heart because it doesn't follow our sound rules. Here is our heart word for today. A. Let's use the word in a sentence. I have a flower. Let's listen to the sounds that we hear in the word A. A. How many sounds do you hear? Yes, you hear one sound. Great work! We can say the word A in two ways. We can either say it or we can say it A. Another easy way to remember this word is that it is also the letter A. This word does not make the sound we learned for the letter A in our last lesson. It breaks the sound rules, and so it is a heart word that we need to remember. Let's read the word again. A. Great work! Now that we know the name and sound of three letters, we can blend the sounds of those letters together to read our first word. When we read, we make the sound of each letter in order from left to right and slowly blend the sounds together. Let's try sounding out our first word.
A.
Great job! Now let's blend the sounds quickly together to read the word. At. You did it! You just sounded out your first word. Good job! Let's try to sound out another word. This word will have three sounds to blend.
S. A.
Great work! Now blend the sounds quickly. Sat. Great job! You are sounding out words. Let's read our very first sentence. Remember, a sentence is a group of words put together that make meaning. I sat. Great job! Let's read the sentence one more time. I sat. Now, let's practice writing our first sentence. Please make sure that you have a writing notebook and a pen or pencil for this activity. Let's write this sentence. I sat. Write the first word, I. You now know how to write this heart word from our previous lesson. Next, we need to write the word, sat. Tap out each sound on your fingers before you write this word. It has three sounds and three letters. Go ahead and write the word, sat. Every sentence needs to start with an uppercase letter and end with a punctuation mark. Please check your sentence to make sure that it looks right. Great job! Great job today. Let's review today's letter, sound and word one more time. Here is our letter for today. T. And this is the sound that it makes. Here is our word for today. A. Great work today. We hope to see you soon for our next lesson.